What's up, guys? I bought this gaming desk on Amazon Prime Day, and you can tell it's pretty decent. It's a little smaller than the one I had before, but that's what I like about it. It fits perfectly in this little corner. You got gaming monitors set up there, like you could put a gaming monitor there, and added an extension, an arm extension onto it, and it holds up pretty well. It's still pretty sturdy. And then you got the this area here that's perfect because I like to put a bunch of little stuff all over the place, and it gives me space. And also this is all connected here too. And, everything's connected to my extension that connects to the desk. Let's see. And it also comes with the LED strip, which comes with the little remote here. And pretty cool. Give it a 5 out of 5. Yep. That's what I'm working with here. Boom. Little corner.
Here's the desk. A bit smaller than I'd hoped for. My laptop's about the size of the whole entire table itself. This thing, these USB ports don't get enough power to supply power to this thing, so it trips out. You can't even turn it off. But once you hook it up to an actual power source, it's fine, and you can switch through the modes. But then it's already having issues. Change the brightness, and then I can't even turn it off without unplugging it. Which that's where it's meant to go. It's meant to attach here and go into your USB port. But now it wants you to consume an entire socket in order to get it to function properly. Great.
So I just built this up. This is a very small desk.